In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your email address on ID.me. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then I want you to hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon, and then click on it. There is a drop-down menu where you can manage your personal details, security options, and contact information by clicking the My Wallet. And from here, I want you to click the Manage Full Profile. And you would see that there is a three dots icon beside your email. I want you to click on it and click the Edit button. Basically, since we are using our first email as the work email, I want you to click the personal. Okay, and click on Save. And then we are going to add a new email, which is going to be our primary email instead. Let's say this is going to be your new email, and I want you to click on the work section. And from here, just click the Send Confirmation. Now check your new email inbox. You should receive a confirmation message from ID.me. Open it and click the verification link to confirm that you own the email address. Of course, if you go back to your account, because you need to keep your old email address on your account until the new one is fully verified, this prevents you from getting locked out, okay? And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can change your email address on ID.me. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.